The male, just like he waits for me. He does it every morning for 3 mornings in a row.
Selling babies.
Yeah.
Okay, there you
No,
go.
that cardinal been
You
flying
saw it?
around here.
It looks orange. So
Yeah.
maybe that was
Well, the female is a paler. The male is like
Okay.
black and orange.
Yeah,
The
maybe that
female's
was a
paler.
female or
They got an assembly line. Every morning it's empty. The oriole feeder, so I put a big scoop of jelly in, and they go back and forth. The male and female will just go back and forth, and they go up to the same spot in the tree.
Oh, my finches have having this up in that pear tree. That's this one because
It's up there somewhere. Now, the family, one of them is pushing that.
How come that?
Right there.
Go potty.
Right there. Just went in there. Female.
Yep, I see her right there.
Yeah.
Right there.
See right there.
See it on the branch?
Yeah.
Oh, I see it. Yeah.
That's her.
Just to the left of that.
She just took
Yep.
off.
Yeah,
there's the male.
Oh, there's the
Yep.
other one.
there's Mary.
I see her coming.
So you have to call Marilyn. Scott found it before you did. Because both Scott and Marilyn were looking
Scott and
for it.
Meryl were like
I was
trying like
looking
crazy to
Yeah.
find
More
her.
inside.
Hear 'em?
I think that had it that far out.
You would think they would be like in that mess right there.
You can't even say you see it. You just know where it
You
is.
know
Yeah.
where it is, but you can't see it.
I mean,
yeah.
you can kind of see a blob.
Where? Can you see
Whoops.
it? Whoops!
I mean, you know it's there, and you assume. I mean,
Right.
I can kind of see.
Well, because every time they land, you hear a bunch of chirping.
I see a darker spot than you.
We hear them every time one of them lands. They start chirping.
I don't know if there's.
You have to tell Doug that.
What?
We got an Orioles nest.
Is he a bird watcher too?
Oh yeah, he saw his post.
I think you can see it from here.
His profile picture is an Oriole sitting on a feeder.
Oh, really?
They stand right in front of me. Stand in front of me. They see the first lowest branch. Yeah.
Getting tired?
Just above it.
Sandy, it looks like you're looking in the wrong place, Sandy.
No, that lowest branch over the. Oh, they're there. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
Watch, he's coming in.
right there. You hear him? You hear all of them now?
Yeah, that's what they said.
Okay, get ready.
Oh, I see that dark spot.
Okay, get ready.
Yeah,
Now, if you watch there.
Get ready. The male's gonna come pretty soon.
I think you're right. That's it. That's
Sandy,
gotta
stay
be-
there.
Yeah. You know it is. Yeah, I see it now.